Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, thank you for doing that. Thank you for your love and your support. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this turban. Just look at this turban. You can make it big and you can make it small. I'm making mine big. You can just adjust it if it's too big for you. So the fabric I have here is a scuba, and this is a soft light scuba. Just look at it. And the next thing is this flower. I got this flower at the market. Just look at this flower. Just get that people that sell accessory. So that is the flower. So just take a look at this. It's just my tape rule, my B6000. I have my B6000, and that is my needle and thread. I have my scissors, my hot glue gun. Just got to get a hot glue. You can get the small or the big size. So I'm going to use that glue to glue it on the turban body. And I'm going to be having my stones, and this is original stone. This is size 1. So this is size 1. If you're buying your stone, buy size 1. So this is size 1. Just look at this as size 1, guys. So look at this, and I have another small size, and that is royal blue. So just look at it. I'm going to set that aside. We set this aside, guys. So let's move to the turban body, and this is our fabric, like I said earlier. And we're going to be having 2 measurements. We're going to be having the band, and we're going to be having the body of the turban. So just look at it, and the measurements for this are going to be having, just look at it, we're going to be having 25 inches. 25 inches long. Just look at it. 25 inches long and by 5 inches. So 25 inches by 5 inches by, just look at it, and that's it. 5 inches. So let's move to the body of the turban, and this is the body of the turban. On this body of the turban, we can reduce the size, and this is the bigger. I make it bigger. You can reduce it to smaller body. If you want it bigger and you want it small, so that is a measurement. Just stop at that place there, and that is 34 inches. 34 inches wide. Just look at it. Just look at it. 34 inches wide. So we'll be using the stretching part. Don't forget, we'll be using the stretching part. And so the next measurement is going to give us 80 inches. So 34 inches by 80 inches. That's the measurement. Just take a look at it, and the next thing we'll be doing now, we're going to be marking 2 inches. You can check videos on my video on how to make a pleated turban, just like a little bit. Let's say something like pleating turban, but the measurement is just different. So you're going to be marking 2 inches. You fold and you sew. If you check my previous video on how to make a pleated turban, I'm going to say that you fold, you sew it down on your sewing machine. You mark 2 inches, you sew it down. So just take a look at this. I've already sewed this. I mark 2 inches and I sew it down on the sewing machine. You can use your weaving machine, just depend on what you use for your turban. You measure another 2 inches, another 2 inches. Just look at it. You fold and you sew it down. That's what I'm doing. It's so easy. So you sew, keep sewing. Just look at it. So this is coming out beautiful. Just look at it. You can see measure another 2 inches and sew it down again. Just see, and what I'll be doing right now, I'll be joining the band to it. I'll fold the band into 2. Just look at it. I'll fold this into 2. So when I fold it to 2, I'm going to notch that part. So, and the same thing to the turban body. So I'm going to sew it together. So you fold it very well. If you're a beginner, you can use office pin to pin it down. Let's take a look at it. mesh just like that. Let's see what I'm doing. And you see what I'm doing, guys. And take it to the turban body. So before you take it to the turban body, you're going to mesh that part too. Just do it the way you see it. So you mesh that part again. Just see what I'm doing. And you place it down. Then you place this on heat. Can you see? So none of it is going to be too long. So it's going to be, at least it's going to be in the center. Then you sew it down. So I'm done with the sewing. So in this, the next thing between that is our fitting. I said earlier, this is a big, I make it a big turban. But if you are doing it for someone that don't love big turban, that means you're going to reduce the measurement. So if you are doing your fitting, you're going to reduce the measurement. So this is the big, and this measurement is a big one. So you're going to shape it out the way we used to shape our turban. Give it a turban shape. Can you see what I'm doing? If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, thank you for doing that. So share this video with friends and family. So what we're doing now is the turban fitting. This is very important. You can decide to use, just see what I'm doing. So just what I'm doing. So I'll be working with 12 inches. You can work with 11 inches. You can work with 10.5 inches. Just depend on your client's head hand. So you sew it down like that and down. Here's what I'm doing. So I'm done with this sewing, and the next thing we'll do now, I'll be using my needle and thread to make a running stitching. I show you guys again. In the fitting, I used 11 inch. I later used 11 inches. Then I'm going to do a running stitching. Just what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. And when you're doing this part, make sure your thread is doubled. Make sure your thread is not light. Make sure your thread is thick and is very thick. So I'm going to make a running stitching from the front to the back. From the front to the back. Just keep doing this. Then you sew it. You pull out the thread and you sew. Let's look at it. Can you see? It's so. Just see what I'm doing. You sew it. You keep sewing it, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. You make sure the sewing is very, very tight. So you're going to cut out the thread. That's what I'm doing. So easy to do. So I'm going to cut that part out. Just what I'm doing. Wow, so I'm loving this. Yes, just take a look at this. So just take a look at this. So the next thing we'll be doing right now, we are going to be gluing our flower to heat. You fix your flower to heat. I'm going to fix it in 3 places. I'm going to just see what I'm doing. Just glue it to heat. So you're going to use your hot glue. The best thing to use in this part is your hot glue. Don't tack. And so That is it. I'm going to place this like this. So I'm going to place this like this. Take it to the second one again. You place it again. You take the third one. You place it again, making three. Then you use your hand to press down. Next thing I'll be doing, I'll be stoning it. Just look at it on my head. Sorry, I can't show the video on where I stone it because I don't have enough space on my phone. I'm trying to make this video for like a week now. So this is where I'm going to end it. So after adding your flowers to it, you're going to stone it round. You have to sew it round. So thank you all. So I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. So we have a lot on the turbans and fascinator. Then we have videos. I'm going to upload videos on headband, ruffles headband. So just look at this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Bye guys. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video.